Vlogmas day 3. Online training for 8 hours. Yay. So for my outfit today, my hair's just drying. This shirt is from Gap. It's a denim shirt with kind of like the puffy sleeves. You can dress it up or down. That's why I like it. And then I have on black leggings from Pink and my white Converse. It's still pretty warm outside today, which not complaining still, knock on wood. I am packing to go to my mom's for the week. And then I have this pile of laundry. I hate laundry. I hung all my shirts. It's all clean. I just need to go through it instead of like living out of it. And go from there. Jingle bells, goes down, goes down, goes down, goes down, goes down, goes down. Piano in the bell, 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 bell. Jingle bell, 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 bell. So for shampoo, I use the Olaplex number 4, that's just the number that the shampoo is, Bond Maintenance Shampoo, and it repairs, strengthens, and nourishes all hair types. And then the conditioner, which is better to store upside down because it's super concentrated and it's impossible to get out if you don't, so matching conditioner. And it was recommended to me by my hairdresser, and so far I like it. I have super frizzy, unmanageable hair, so this seems to be working pretty well. And then I usually will use this purple shampoo either once a week, or I will mix it with the regular shampoo so it's not so drying, to keep the brassiness away and keep it more blonde and silvery rather than yellow. And then this is the L'Oreal Everpure Sulfate Free purple shampoo. I also have another one at my mom's. It's just a Paul Mitchell brand, so it's whatever I can find. And then after I get out of the shower, I will mix these two together. So it's number 6 and 7. And this is the Bond Smoother Leave-In Reparative Styling Cream, and it's supposed to help with frizz and protection. And then I will put a couple drops of the bonding oil, and a little bit goes a long way. I've almost had both of these for a year now, and I barely need any, and I put it in my wet hair and will brush it and style it. I don't really use anything else. This is all I have if I need extra anti-frizz, or I'm going to use heat on it, or my hair is no longer damp. This is the Mane and Tail Hair Strengthener. It's just a daily leave-in treatment, and it has all the uses of like a heat protectant and frizzies and all that fun stuff. My favorite dry shampoo is the Batiste brand, but this is what I got a while ago. This is the Unite U-Dry High Volumizing Dry Shampoo, and it works pretty good, but I still prefer the Batiste one. And if I need to use hairspray, I swear, guys, this is like the oldest thing in the book, but it's a huge can. It's lasted me years, but I don't really use a lot of hairspray. But it's the Aquanet All Weather Extra Hold, and it works so well. It doesn't leave my hair crunchy, so when I do need hairspray, I love this stuff. I did actually order some Mane and Tail stuff for when I'm out of my shampoo, and just to try it, and it was cheaper. I'm one to switch up products a lot because your hair can get used to stuff, or I just like to use stuff up before buying more. So I have some color protection conditioner by Mane and Tail and the shampoo. And then I also got the Mane and Tail Biotin Infused Micellar Sulfate Free shampoo and conditioner. And Mane and Tail is honestly so good. Apparently you can also use it on your horses. That's like the original use, and I had the big bottle of the original and it made my hair grow so long. Something about it, I don't know if it's actually good for your hair or not, but this is sulfate free and it has biotin, so it's supposed to help with growth. So I'm going to be using those once I'm out of my other ones. Hey guys, so today's vlog is going to be a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more boring, to be honest. There's not a whole lot going on, but basically, like I said in yesterday's vlog, I have an online required training on Zoom, and I am doing that right now while I'm getting ready, but it goes from 9 to 4:30, so it's a whole day of training for my scholarship I'm a part of, and it's once a month on Fridays. So instead of going to my internship today, I actually got to stay home and do the training and actually get some stuff done. As I mentioned yesterday, as part of my master's program, I am having to do a clinical internship. So it's unpaid work basically, but it's my practicum. It's where I get my practice. It counts for hours for school. And I have to do 24 hours a week. So basically part-time, but I don't get paid. And I am at the County Community Mental Health Center, but I'm specifically in the adult detox and crisis recovery. However, I'm also shadowing different departments. So far I've already shadowed the adolescent rehab, which was very interesting, adolescent outpatient, and then eventually I will also be going with the police department as a co-responder, responding to crisis calls. I also will be shadowing case managers. I obviously want to specialize in mental health and substance use once I get my master's in social work, so I'm getting additional practice there. If you guys know me or watched my vlogs last year, I still work at a psychiatric hospital, so I will link down videos related to that down below and the vlogs. I also did a story time video, so that'll be linked down below. But I still work there, and that's my actual job, and I work there on the weekends when I actually have time. But it's 2 12-hour shifts, and that's Saturday and Sunday. So I obviously don't know how the day is going to look. It's never a dull moment. It's kind of like an ER. So I could have time to film. I could also not have much time to film. I work from 9 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. so it's like my whole weekend. So unfortunately, I don't know how interesting that'll be, but I did pretty good last year at getting a lot of footage. I do have to blur a lot of the background or a lot of stuff on the walls. I don't show any patient information, obviously for HIPAA and privacy protection. I also don't show any employee information, but the reason I blurred the walls last year was just in case there was any identifying information, but there wasn't because we don't put identifying information on the walls. But I just made sure like none of the desks were showing paperwork, that kind of thing. So it is more difficult to film because obviously it's a hospital. We are allowed to like record as long as it's not breaking patient confidentiality. But since I work in the office area, it's a little bit easier than like if I were to be on the unit. And of course, guys, all the previous years of Vlogmas will be linked down below. They get more embarrassing the older they get. They're pretty cringy, but the only reason I haven't removed them is because it's a tradition. And all the what I got for Christmas, my Christmas hauls, also get really bad the older you get. I think the oldest one I have is 2013. So if you want a good laugh or you're really bored, you can watch it.
Hi, how can I help?
I have a prescription pickup.
Thank you. It's going to be $10
Okay.
today.
Thank you. You too. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Nothing much going on, and I think I got enough talking in today. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I upload, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!